The garden of the mind Arif was a young man who often felt tired, even when he wasn't working. His body was healthy, but his thoughts were always heavy. Memories of failure, fear of the future, and endless comparisons with others filled his head. One evening, his grandfather noticed his worried face and said, "Arif, come with me to the garden tomorrow morning." At dawn, they walked into the small family garden. Weeds had grown among the flowers, dry leaves lay scattered, and dust covered the paths. Arif frowned. "This garden looks so messy." His grandfather smiled. "Yes, if we don't clean it daily, weeds will take over, and the flowers won't grow." They spent hours removing weeds, watering the plants, and sweeping the paths. Slowly, the garden looked fresh and alive again. Then his grandfather said, "Your mind is just like this garden. Every day, negative thoughts, worries, and anger grow like weeds. If you don't clear them, they will choke your happiness. Cleaning your mind daily with gratitude, patience, and kindness keeps your inner garden alive." From that day, Arif began a new habit. Each night before sleep, he closed his eyes, forgave the day's mistakes, let go of unnecessary worries, and remembered one good thing he was grateful for. Slowly, his mind felt lighter, like a freshly watered garden. He realized that happiness didn't come from a perfect life, but from keeping his inner garden clean every single day. Sparkle's moral: just as gardens need daily care, our minds also need daily cleaning to stay fresh, peaceful, and full of life.